Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you live in a cold, rugged place but still need to look nice, you gotta check these shoes out.
These are the Mishansha's men's winter hiking boots. These are so beautiful. We live in a rural area, so we have a lot of different terrain, but we have to dress up a lot with our volunteer work. These are so well made and durable. I love the laces, how high quality they are and strong. It almost feels like a paracord material. It is so nice for lacing it up. It goes high up on his ankle, so that gives him extra ankle support when he is walking around, so he doesn't have to worry about twisting his ankle or hurting himself. It is just so sturdy, and again, just looks so nice with dress pants in any type of terrain, in rock, in grass, in sand, in mud. It can handle anything and look good no matter what. The color is perfect because even if it does get dirty, it still keeps its beautiful look. The tread is so awesome because if you are having to go up or down, you can have that guarantee that you're not going to slip. And then the inside with the fur is so important if you're living in a cold place. It's going to keep your feet warm so that you can move around, get a lot done, look good, and keep that warmth at the same time. I absolutely love these shoes. They are so well made and they're waterproof. So if you're dealing with snow, rain, mud, no matter what, these shoes are going to get you through the day.
We loved the look, the quality, and the versatility of these shoes, and that's my point of view.